Now the next topic of chapter number 4, digital presentation, class 10th, is inserting transitions and inserting animations. Very important topic. You must know the difference between transition and animation. So first of all, what is transition? Transition effects are special which are used to enhance the interest of the audience and provide liveliness to your slideshow presentation. आपको पता होना चाहिए ट्रांजिशन होता है क्या बेटा। एनिमेशन होता है कि आपने कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी स्लाइड में इंसर्ट किया हुआ है, उसको मूव करना है, ठीक है। लेकिन स्लाइड, जब आपकी इसमें स्लाइड शो में जब स्लाइड मूव होती है एक स्लाइड से दूसरी स्लाइड पे, उसके बीच में अगर आपने कोई इफेक्ट डालना है, दैट इज नोन एज ट्रांजिशन। क्लियर डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रांजिशन एंड एनिमेशन? ट्रांजिशंस आर अप्लाइड टू द स्लाइड्स बट animations are applied to the objects of the slides. So these are the different steps by which you apply transitions to a slide. This is the assessment. Which icon appears on the slides tab in the left pane besides any slide that includes a transition? Which button when select? One word answers are there. How do you apply a sound effect to a slide? How do you set the timing over with a transition will last? Now inserting animations. Slide animations are similar to transitions but they are applied to an individual element on a single slide such as title, chart, shape or bullet point. The ability to move objects like text, graphics, charts, logos in all directions of the slides is called animation. Recently I told you what is the difference between transition and animation. Animation applied to an individual object of the slide, but transitions are applied to the slides. Slide की movement में जो effect डालते हैं that are transitions, object की movement में जो effect डालते हैं that are animations. बच्चे आपको difference इसका पता होना चाहिए. Now to make specific changes to the movement of text and objects, following are the steps below. These are the steps to apply animations to the objects of the slides. Now this is assessment time of session number 6. What is the benefit of using animations? How do you display various effects options while applying animations? What does the timing row allow you to do? How do you manage animation effects?